In this difficult business environment where customers want more service for less money, it's critical that you learn to work smarter. Solution is down. The propane-driven Sidewinder begins the fastest vinyl tile floor stripping process available anywhere. With its 3-brush planetary motion, the 30-inch Sidewinder can easily strip 15,000 square feet of floor per hour. But it's not only its speed that sets the Sidewinder apart. It has 3 scouring heads, spinning at 1,150 revolutions per minute, mounted on a solid steel floating planetary drive, spinning in the opposite direction at 250 RPM. This floating or gimbaled movement allows the brushes to follow the contour of the floor, working down into any low spots, enabling you to strip the floor clean in one pass. And we offer a 24-inch Sidewinder for working in tighter spaces. It has the same features as the 30-inch Sidewinder and can strip at over 13,000 square feet per hour.